did the inside of my tent turn into a bed. The owners gave me a free cabin. I couldn't believe it when he opened the door. You're gonna let me stay here? Because the one guy offered me the tent in the back, and then the other owner's like, we can do better than that. It was so luxurious for my last night. Like, what a perfect ending to the last night of my trip. This cool Art Deco fridge. It's decorated just enough. It doesn't have too much tchotchke. Love all the wood. And look at this cool toilet paper holder. Wow, that was a fantastic shower. And I'll tell you why. Terra Pure Earth Conscious.
My hair was just in knots in the back like dreadlocks. This went on so creamy and all the knots just came right out.
Here is my little cabin. If you stay in these, the trade-off is if you're not up before like 8:30, you're gonna have to hear that. The wood chipper company is next door.
Chewy from my neck down.
I really am right now. My friend here that I met last night, she just came over to me. She lives in Boise, and she said to me, would you like me to take your bags to Boise? So I'm gonna give her my pack, this pack, because it's like my 11-pound tent and everything. Thank you so much. God, I didn't even think of that. What a great idea.
I get to offload that. That is freaking fantastic.
What a cool ending to a great trip. Most bizarre time I'm having. So I went inside the restaurant to get the rest of the meat that I had from last night, and everyone was in there. The band, the girl, the owners, like there we were, all of us again after last night hanging out together. And it's like 11 a.m. People are having their Bloody Marys. It's just so great. Somebody put sparkly, look at all over the handle, the window, look. Look at the back. Oh my gosh, that's so much fun. Boise, 17 miles. We're approaching where James dropped me off. Here's where it all started. James got me pedaling away. Trip, Idaho Hot Springs mountain bike loop, here we come.
Bye, big kitty.
Why am I taking a break when my bike is like 10 pounds, 11 pounds lighter because Shelby took my pack? Because I have a freaking headwind. A strong one, the fact that I have to stop. It is a long climb. Guess what's at the top? A shop called the Hilltop Shop or something, where I can get a cold drink, and then we are done going up. Oh, grass. It feels so nice. You know, it's just been pine and dirt the whole trip. It's even the colors wonderful to the eye. Oh, hallelujah. I'm so thirsty. Love these little shops. Look, my freckles came out. This headband thing's working out, catches all the sweat running down. I didn't wear it when I was at a higher elevation because I wasn't raining, as I like to call it, and now I'm just gonna rain. And the salt is just nonstop stinging my eyes. So this band is working awesome for really hot areas if you sweat a lot. My legs are so tired from these last few days. I'm just gonna cruise down this hill. I'm not even gonna pedal. I'm just sitting on my bike upright and I'm just enjoying the ride. now we get on the bike path. It takes us all the way to Boise. And just like that. Isn't that nice how they have it set up? People come to float the river, but it's so windy today. They're just looking like me pedaling up a hill. And we made it. We did it all the way back home. I almost bailed and had James pick me up in Idaho City, but hung in there. How beautiful Boise, Idaho is. So why is my backpack back on? Because I actually stopped by the supermarket to get some chicken tikka masala, broccoli, and some ice cream. Because I didn't want to think about food when I got home. I'll show you one of my favorite houses right here. Oh, beautiful, right? I just put my bike on the porch. I heard something crashing through the trees, and look who it is. It's co-host Charlie. This is our bike inspector. Yeah, that's open. I need to close that. I didn't finish packing. Charlie, you can't come with me. Oh my gosh, that is the best welcoming ever. Hi, sweetie pie. Hello, I'm gonna get you a little treat, okay? I missed you. I just opened the door. The cat's in the yard, goofball. What are you doing? Look out, go. No, we're gonna go because the cat, he went right back. Black kitty, Black kitty's so confused. Charlie just follows my sweetie pie. Oh yeah, he's my little man. He's gonna follow me now. Go up. Charlie and I having breakfast together. I miss you, little man. Yeah, he's so gentle. People can't see you. Charlie? Oh my gosh, I can't believe you are at the window. Moving day. And look who's here. You're just fearless. Yeah, you're just fearless. All packed up, and stuff inside the blue is stuff I wanted to sell. That's all like camping gear, sleeping pads, bike gear. And then the green thing is all my clothes. The red thing are all my shoes. And I still have shoes at storage. 2 sleeping bags, miscellaneous like toilet paper, jewelry, winter stuff, ski jacket, ski pants. My life is in there, all my electronics. Then I have my clothes resting on top. It's all coats in this bag. Bicycle clothing in this little gray thing. There's my paddle, sweaters. I put my bike on this new platform rack. Just sold my hanging rack yesterday. I was so excited. Got $100 for it. Too many videos. What are you doing? Charlie, I'm shooting. You're the lead. You can't jump off set in the middle of a take. Charlie, on set. All actors on set. Now you have your butt to the lens. Oh. Squirrels. My little man. He's my little man. I'm gonna really miss him. Like, you come out the door and they come to greet you, and if I'm over by my car, he crosses the street and comes over by my feet. It's just like they're little pets now, you know. But we have to be careful because we don't want to spoil them with too many nuts and then, you know, rely on us for the food. So just give a couple. That's it, sweetheart. You know, so they keep foraging. So just little snacks, right, Charlie? Just little snacks. Uh-oh. You're on YouTube. I don't even know where to look shooting vertical because I never shoot this way. I'm gonna miss you, little man. I'm gonna miss him.